Hi, this is Don Allen. I have a lot of vehicles that have batteries in them, RV, trucks, boats, and etc. like that. So what I have really started to pinpoint here is that the battery world has been pretty standard with acid batteries, then moving to gel batteries, and now lithium batteries. So what we have is we still are in that world where we have acid batteries and we're still using them in some of our vehicles. So acid batteries are less reliable, they require more maintenance and all that, and so sometimes they fail. And so I had my truck battery, and for some reason I had forgot to check the water, and one morning it didn't start. And a friend of mine came by with a anti-gravity jump start apparatus that seemed pretty handy. So I started to check it out. Now, because I have a failed acid battery, I can use this anti-gravity heavy-duty jump start right here, and I have opted for the X20, so XP20, and so I have a diesel engine on my RV, and this would help me jump that thing. The standard is 10, and that would be jump any acid battery or AGM battery that most people have. But I went with the heavy duty mainly because I have an RV. So it comes with quite a few of its attachments, and most importantly, it comes with the jumper little deal right here, and you see it has a couple prongs. They're pretty easy to figure out where they go. Right here you can see the two little brass fittings, and that's where they would go, and you just turn it on, and this can jump any battery, and it doesn't. One thing about assisted jump start, I don't want to call them machines, but apparatuses, is that you had to make sure they were charged, and you couldn't store them in hot temperatures and all that kind of stuff. So they were kind of iffy. This thing is the real deal. And so turning it on, and you can see that it's at 100%. So just turning it on will show you the percentage and allow you to charge if it needs recharging. From people who've had this before, they'll get 5 or 6 jumps out of any apparatus before they have to charge. So that's real important to me. So it also comes with some charging ports, and also it comes with you can use these prongs to charge any of your apparatuses, your phone, your computer, and that kind of stuff. So it will operate as a charge apparatus too. So that's kind of cool. Now, one thing about buying anti-gravity is they used to come with a plug AC charging port. They don't now, and you have to buy that separate, but it's no big deal because you want that flexibility to be able to charge with AC or charge with a DC. And so understanding that you have both of these ways to charge your anti-gravity jump start apparatus. So it's kind of really important. It comes with a real nice carrying case that it seems to be pretty strong, and it's going to keep it safe and protected. So that's pretty cool there. And this is the box. This tells you right here that what it can jump: large trucks, passenger vehicles, boats, and motorcycles. So I like that flexibility of being able to charge all the batteries that live in my mobile world. So I believe this is $199. I got it on eBay, and on Amazon, and I bought a adapter. One thing that if you buy the 20, you have to buy an adapter that fits the 20. But for most part, XP10s will serve most people, and that's generally around $149. So this is the real deal, and I kind of recommend it for your mobile world. Again, Don Allen, RVersLife. Go ahead and push the like button and subscribe. We got lots of tips.